Good morning. Welcome to class 8. Today in English we are going to learn poem 4, The Last Bargain. This poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore, who was known in Bengal as Rabindranath Thakur, born on 7th May 1861 and died on 7th August 1941. He was known as Gurudev, was a Bengali poet, writer, music composer and a painter from the Indian subcontinent. He reshaped Bengali literature and music, as well as Indian art with contextual modernism in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Author of the profoundly sensitive, fresh, and beautiful verse of Gitanjali, he became in 1913 the first non European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. He is sometimes referred to as the Bard of Bengal. Let us start listing out different parts of a day. Dawn is an early morning when there is not much light, not much darkness. Morning, afternoon or midday, dusk, that is early evening, then evening and night. These stages of these stages of day can be compared to the stages of a human life. For example, dawn is our childhood, infancy or childhood. Morning is youth. Afternoon is our 50 years age. Dusk, a human being of 60 years. Evening is old age and night is very old age. These are some of the books written by Rabindranath Tagore. Selected stories. Gitanjali is a collection of poems for which he won Nobel Prize. The Boy and His Tree. Gora. Gora is also translated into English. These are some images of some parts of poems. There are references of a king in a chariot with a sword, an old man with a bag of gold, a fair maid in a garden, crooked lands, not straight lands, children playing at a seashore collecting shells. Introduction. The poem describes a child who wants to get hired. Let us find out which offers does he get and which one does he accept. The message of the poem. The Last Bargain by Tagore is a 16 lines poem composed in blank verse. Blank verse means having no rhyme scheme, conveying a strong message well needed for the materialistic world that no power, money or lust can make us happy. Simplicity and innocence are the most supreme of all. Summary. The poem is about a child who wants to get a work. First, he meets a king who offers him work for power. The child doesn't accept it. Next, an old man offers him gold or money if he works for him. The child rejects the offer. Next, a fair maid offers a smile to work for her. The child again rejects the offer. At last, a child playing at a seashore gives him an offer to play with him. He said he had nothing to give in return. The child accepts this bargain as he wanted freedom and joy. Now, let us have a look at the poem. Poem for The Last Bargain. Come and hire me, I cried, while in the morning I was walking on the stone-paved road. Sword in hand, the king came in his chariot. He held my hand and said, I will hire you with my power. But his power counted for naught, and he went away in his chariot. The child wants to get hired in the morning. He meets the king on a stone-paved road. The king is on a chariot with a sword in his hand. He offers to hire the child and promises to give him power for working. Child doesn't want power. Power means nothing to him, so he turns down the offer. In the heat of the midday, the houses stood with shut doors. I wandered along the crooked land. An old man came out with his bag of gold. He pondered and said, I will hire you with my money. In the afternoon, while all houses are closed, he walks along the uneven paths of lines of houses. He meets an old man who has a bag of gold. The old man thinks deeply for a while and offers to hire him. He offers him money to work for him. The boy takes gold coins in his hand, weighs them one by one, and finally rejects this offer. It was evening. The garden hedge was all aflower. The fair maid came out and said, I will hire you with a smile. The smile paled and melted into tears, and she went back alone into the dark. In the evening, he comes to a garden. There were plants of flowers in it. A fair maid came out from the garden. She offered her smile to hire him. The smile fades and she starts crying. When the boy turns down the offer, she goes back into her dark world again. The sun glistened on the sand and the sea waves broke waywardly. A child sat playing with shells. He raised his head and seemed to know me and said, I hire you with nothing. From henceforward, that bargain struck in child's play made me a free man. The child goes to a seashore. Another child plays there with shells. The sun shines on the sand. He looks at the poet as if he knows him. He offers to hire him for nothing. From there on, the bargain is finalized and turns into a child's game that makes the poet a free man. Some word meanings. Hire me means get my services in return for payment. stone paved road, the path of stones, the stony path. Sword, weapon with a long, thin metal blade. Chariot, a horse-drawn open vehicle. Held means kept. Counted for note, was of no worth. Synonyms: bargain is an agreement or offer. Glisten means shine. Pell means fed. Not, nothing. Crest, peak. Struck, turned. Hedge, border. Melted, turned into. Pondered, thought. Antonyms: bright, pale. Powerful, powerless. Crooked, straight. Old, young. Smile, tear. Dark, light. Noun forms: dark, darkness. Way, weight. Fair, fairness. Free, freedom. Glisten, glistening. Questions: name the poem and the poet. The name of the poem is The Last Bargain and the name of the poet is Rabindranath Tagore. When did the child meet the king? The child met the king in the morning. What did he have in his hand? The king had a sword in his hand. What did the king offer to the child? The king offered to hire the child in return of power. Why didn't the child accept his offer? For the child, power was nothing. It didn't mean anything to him. So he did not accept the offer. What did the old man offer to the child? The old man offered to hire a child in return of gold coins. Why did the child meet the maid? The child met the maid in the garden. What did she offer him? She offered to hire him for a smile. Where did the poet finally go? The poet finally went to a seashore. Which is the last offer given to the child? Who gave this offer? The last offer was given by a child playing on a seashore. He offered to play with him in return of nothing. Why did the child reject all other offers but not the last one? The child wanted freedom and joy, which he got in the company of the child playing on the seashore. So he rejected the other offers. Assignment: write down the textual exercise. Prepare a project about Rabindranath Tagore and his literary works. Write down a book review of Rabindranath Tagore's one of the books. Write an essay on inner joy is more important than materialistic pleasures. Here are some important links of videos related to this lesson. Some notes, summary and NCERT solution. Thank you and have a nice day.